Yes, namaste to all. So welcome to the Shanghai classes. So in the last video, we discussed problems based on the properties of definite intervals. Okay. So some more problems we will discuss today's class. So write down next problem. Evaluate integral from 0 to pi by 2 into log of sin x minus log of sin 2x, okay, with respect to x. So your question is, so evaluate the value of the integral 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x minus log of sin 2x, okay. Yes. So solution, so let I is equals to given integral, that is 0 to pi by 2 times of log of sin x minus log of sin 2x, okay. Yes, here we know sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x into cos x, trigonometric formula. So our formula use model. So integral from 0 to pi by 2, so 2 into log of sin x as it is minus here log of sin 2x can be written as log of sin 2x is equals to 2 into sin x into cos x into dx. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು sin 2x formula. So that is 2 sin x into cos x. Then next, see here, this is of the form log of m into n into p, logarithmic property. So log of m into n into p can be written as log m plus log n plus log of p, okay. Yes, so equals to integral from 0 to pi by 2 into log of sin x minus here log of 2 into sin x into cos x can be written as log of 2 plus log of sin x plus log of cos x. So ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so logarithmic property ಪ್ರಕಾರ, that is log of m into n into p is log of m plus log of n plus log of p into dx. Yes, so minus sign ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So that is 2 times of log of sin x minus log of 2 minus into plus minus, so log of sin x again minus into plus minus log of cos x, okay, that's into dx. So next step is, see here 2 times of log sin x is there, here 1 times of log sin x. So 2 log of sin x minus log of sin x is, that is 1 times of log of sin x, okay. So that is log of sin x minus, so remaining again minus log of cos x, so minus log of cos x, and then constant term, that is minus log 2 minus log 2 into dx, okay. Yes, so this is the integral I. Now here I will use the property, that is integration from 0 to a f of x into dx is 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Andre x place alli x is replaced by pi by 2 minus x, okay. Yes, so by the property number 5, so integral I can be written as 0 to pi by 2 log of sin of x, so sin of x can be written as sin of pi by 2 minus x, okay. Next here minus log of cos x, that is cos of pi by 2 minus x. So lastly constant term, that is minus log 2 as it is into dx, okay. Yes. So this is by the property number 5, that is integration from 0 to a f of x into dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So it is reason mentioned ಮಾಡಿ, since integration from 0 to a f of x into dx is equals to integral from 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Okay, yes. Then I is equals to integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of s. By allied angle concept, sine of 90 minus x. So sine of 90 minus x is, that is cos x. So log of cos x minus, here log of cos of 90 minus x is, that is sin x, minus log 2 constant term as it is. Yes. So call this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. Okay, and this is equation number 2. So now adding the equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and equation 2. So add what play so left side row I plus I, that is 2I, which is equals to integral from 0 to pi by 2. So here log of sin x minus log of cos x minus log 2 as it is, log of sin x minus log of cos x minus, so that is constant term log of 2. Okay, and here I again 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x minus log of sin x minus log 2. So plus log of cos x minus log of sin x minus log of 2 into dx. Okay, here with respect to x ಇದೆ. So ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. See here plus log of sin x and here minus log of sin x cancel, and then minus log of cos x, here plus log of cos x. So only remaining terms, that is minus log 2 minus log 2. So minus log 2 minus log 2 is, that is minus 2 log 2. Okay, pause ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ first. Okay, yes. So then next step is, so 2i is equals to integral from 0 to pi by 2 minus log 2 minus log 2, that is minus 2 log 2 into dx. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಉಳಿಯೋದು ನಮಗೆ minus log 2, again here minus log 2, ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so that is minus 2 times of log 2. So this minus 2 times of log 2 is a constant term. Okay, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ here log 2 is again numerical value, so total complete ಆಗಿ constant ಆಗಿದೆ. So take outside the integral, so that is minus 2 times of log 2, so remaining 0 to pi by 2 1 into dx. So here 2i is, see here 2 get cancelled, so then I is equals to minus log 2 into integration of 1 is with respect to x is, that is x from 0 to pi by 2. So ಇವಾಗ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು, so lower limit and upper limit ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, yes. So minus log 2, first upper limit substitute ಮಾಡಿ x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ, so that is pi by 2, and minus lower limit is 0, so minus 0. So pi by 2 minus 0 is pi by 2, so minus log 2 into pi by 2. Okay, so answer is minus pi by 2 into log 2. So value of the integral is I is equals to minus pi by 2 into log 2. Or here minus sign is there na? So this minus can be written as pi by 2 log of 2 to the power minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, because logarithm property n into log m. Here n is minus 1, log of m is the m value is 2, so n into log m can be written as log of m to the power n. n ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ಇದೆ, m 2, so 2 to the power minus 1 is, that is 1 by 2. So this is equals to pi by 2 into log of 1 by 2. So this is also value of the integral. Okay na? Yes. Pause ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೊದಲು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, yes. Then next problem. So second one. So next problem, second one, write down. So evaluate the integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx. Okay. So integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx. So solution, let I is equals to integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx. So now use here property number 5, that is integration from 0 to a f of x into dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x. So here a is pi by 2. So using the property, so integral I can be written as log of sin x, so sin of pi by 2 minus x into dx. So since property 5, that is 0 to a f of x into dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Yes, so 0 to pi by 2. So log of sin of 90 minus x is so cos x. Okay, so 90 degree is there. Definitely ratio sign changes to cos. So 90 minus x. So in first quadrant, sign function is positive. So 90 minus x is equals to cos x. So this is integral I. So call this equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So adding equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2. So add multiply by here I plus I, that is 2I, which is equals to integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x plus integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x into dx. Okay. And then next, that is 2I is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 2. So here integral is common for these two functions. So that is 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x plus log of cos x into dx. Okay. So here log of sin x plus log of cos x, that is log of m plus log of n, logarithmic property. So log m plus log n is log of m into n. Okay. So 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x plus log of cos x is log of sin x into cos x. Okay. So dx. So then next step is so adding plus log 2 and subtracting log 2. So that is log of sin x into cos x. So here plus log 2 minus log 2. Okay, into dx. Step plus log 2 minus log 2 introduce cancel nಮಗೆ original term ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, yes. So now 2I is equals to integral from 0 to pi by 2. So ಈ step observe ಮಾಡಿ log of sin x into cos x plus log of 2. So again use here logarithm property, that is log of m plus log of n. So here m is sin x into cos x and n is 2. So log of sin x into cos x plus log of 2 can be written as log of 2 times of sin x into cos x, because that is log m plus log n. So log n plus log n is log m into n minus log 2 as is. Okay, into dx. So now 0 to pi by 2 log of 2 sin x into cos x. So that is sin 2x. Trigonometry formula. Okay, minus log 2 into dx. So this is 2i. Okay, and now here s, which is equals to integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x into dx minus the integration of separate model. So minus integration from 0 to pi by 2 log of 2 into dx. Okay, yes. So now substitute here 2x is equals to t. So here in first integral sin 2x is there, so in place of 2x take 2. Okay, so put 2x is equals to t in the first integral. Okay, yes. So put 2x is equals to t in the first integral. So here first integral is 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x. Second integral is 0 to pi by 2 log of 2. Okay, yes. So substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so now differentiating this x with respect to t, so simultaneously lower limit ಮತ್ತೆ upper limit change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so now differentiating this 2x with respect to t, then that is 2 dx by dt which is equals to 1. So 2 dx is equals to dt. And limits of the integration when x is equals to 0. When x is equals to 0, then t value is 0 because 2 into 0 0. Next, when x is equals to, here upper limit is pi by 2 is there. So when x is equals to pi by 2, then t value is, that is 2 times of pi by 2. So 2 times of pi by 2 is, that is pi. Okay, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ log 2 is there, log 2 is a constant term, so take outside the integral. So then remaining is only integration of 0 to pi by 2 1 into dx. Okay, yes. So 2i is equals to integration from 0 to, so upper limit is pi. So log of sin x, log of sin t, because 2x is equals to t, and next dx is equals to, that is dt by 2. Okay, dx is equals to dt divided by 2. So dt divided by 2. And next integration from here minus log 2 is constant term, so take outside the integral, and integration from 0 to pi by 2 1 into dx. Yes, see here a sign of t is there, so here we use the property number 7, that is integration from 0 to 2a f of x into dx is 2 times of 0 to a if f of 2a minus x is equals to f of x. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ t ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈ ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, then that is 2 times of 0 to a f of x into dx. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, yes. So which is equals to 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 into log of sin t. Okay, here 2 is there, so write down here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2. This 1 by 2 is because of this. So here dt by 2 is there. So ಈ 1 by 2 ನ outside ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, that is 1 by 2 into 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 because of the property number 7, that is integral from 0 to 2a f of x into dx is equals to 2 times of 0 to a f of x into dx. If f of 2a minus x is equals to f of x. So now minus log 2, yes, here integration of 1 is, that is x. So lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 5. Okay, yes. See here, again reason mention ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ನ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, so that is integration from 0 to 2a f of x into dx, which is equals to 2 times of 0 to a f of x into dx if condition f of 2a minus x is equals to f of x. Okay, so here 0 to a, so this pi can be written as 2 times of pi by 2 anta bariboda. See here 0 to pi there, integration from 0 to pi, so this pi can be written as 2 times of pi by 2. Okay, so 2 times of pi by 2 andre 2a aitu. So integration from 0 to 2a f of x into dx is equals to 2 times of 0 to a f of x into dx anta baribodu. Yavagandre f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x agbeku. So here f of x, f of 2a minus x means so log of sin t. So here t is replaced by 2a, that is 2 times of pi by 2. So here agute log of sin of 2 times of pi by 2 is nothing but again pi. So log of sin of pi minus x equals to log of sin 180 minus theta, that is sin theta. So again this is log sin x. Andre f of 2a minus x is equals to f of x anta ide. So hagagi nanu integration from 0 to pi can be written as 2 times of 0 to a log of f of x. Emanತ ಐತ್ರಿ s into here dt minus log 2 into x, integral from lower limit is 0 and here upper limit is pi by 2. The next step is here 2 to get cancelled. So now integration from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin t minus so log 2. So now here upper limit substitute ಮಾಡಿ x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ, so that is pi by 2 and lower limit is 0, so pi by 2 minus 0. So totally this answer is minus pi by 2 into log 2. Okay, so 2i is equals to pause ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೊಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಲೆಂದಿ ಇದೆ. Okay, yes, now 2i is equals to integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin of t into dt. Now I will change the variable t to x. So log of sin x into dx. This is by the property number 1. So by changing the variable in the definite integral, the value of the integral doesn't change. Okay, the first property, ಆ property use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು variable t ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು. Okay, s minus here log 2 into pi by 2 minus 0. So pi by 2 minus 0 is pi by 2. So answer is minus pi by 2 into log. So again this is a question ಮಾಡೋಣ since. So this is because of property number 1, that is integration from a to b f of x into dx, which is equals to a to b f of t into dt. Okay, yes. Now see, so this is same as the given integral I. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ 0 to pi by 2 log sin x. Then ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ actually, that is I. So 2i is equals to, so totally this is I minus pi by 2 into log. So 2i is equals to I minus pi by 2 into log 2. So take this I to this side, and 2i minus I is equals to minus pi by 2 into log 2. So 2i minus I is equals to minus pi by 2 into log 2. So now I is equals to pi by 2 into log of this minus 1 into log 2 can be written as log of 2 to the power minus 1, because n into log n property use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Okay, so pi by 2 log of 2 raised to minus 1 is, that is 1 by 2. So pi by 2 into log of 1 by 2 is integral. So lengthy ಇದೆ, steps correct ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, then next problem. Yes. So next third problem. Right on. Integration from 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x into dx. So evaluate the integral from 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x into dx. So solution, let integral I from 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x into dx. Again use here property number 5, that is 0 to a f of x into dx is 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. That means x is replaced by pi minus x. So using the property I can written as 0 to pi log of, so 1 plus cos of, in place of x, that is pi minus x into dx. So since by using the property 0 to a f of x into dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Okay, yes. So equals to 0 to pi log of here 1 plus, yes, here cos 180 minus x. So 180 minus x means that in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos function is negative. So 180 degree is there, so ratio doesn't change, so that cos 180 minus x is cos x into dx. So call this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 4. So now adding equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, then resultant is, that is 2i is equals to, that is I plus I is 2i, which is equals to 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x, result from 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x into dx plus integral from 0 to pi log of 1 minus cos x into dx. So then next step is, so now take the integral common to these two functions. So 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x plus log of 1 minus cos x, okay, into dx. So now here use the logarithmic property, that is log of m plus log of n is equals to log of m into n. So that 2i is equals to 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x. Okay, log of m into n. M under here 1 plus cos x is there and n is 1 minus cos x. So into dx. Okay, yes. So a plus b into a minus b. So that is a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So now here 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x is 1 square minus cos square x. Okay. So now, so 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x is 1 minus cos square x into dx. So here formula, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Yes. So 2i is equals to 0 to pi log of, so trigonometric formula, that is 1 minus cos square x is equals to, so that is sin square x. Okay, so sin square x can be written as sin x whole square. Okay, 1 minus cos square x is sin square x, so that is sin of x whole square. Now again use here logarithmic property, that is log of m to the power n. So log of m plus to n is n into log m. So that here log of sin x whole square can be written as, that is 2 into log of sin x, okay, into dx. So here using the logarithmic property, that is n into log m is equals to log of m raised to n. Okay, yes. So here 2 is constant, so take outside the integral. So that is 2 times of 0 to pi log of sin x into dx. So here 2i So here 2 get cancelled. Then remaining I is equals to 0 to pi log of sin x into dx. Okay. First is na pause ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Okay. Yes. Then I is equals to integration from 0 to pi log of sin x into dx. See again, we need to use the property that is again 0 to 2a f of x into dx is 2 times of 0 to a if f of 2a minus x is equals to f of x. Our property na use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So here 0 to pi, this pi can be written as 2 times of pi by 2. Okay. So 2 into pi by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So 2 into pi by 2 again is pi. Okay. So ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನಿದೆ 0 to 2a ಅಂದ್ರೆ here a value is pi by 2. Okay. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗೆ ತರೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ 2 times of pi by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿರೋದು. Yes. So now here log of sin x is there. So in place of x 2a that is pi na substitute ಮಾಡಿ again ನಮಗೆ log of sin x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So then this integral can be written as 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 because 0 to a here a value is pi by 2 log of sin x into dx. Reason so that is property 0 to 2a f of x into dx is equals to 2 times of 0 to a f of x into dx. This is only when condition if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x ಆದಾಗ. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ here f of x is that is log of sin x ಇದೆ. x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2a substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2a means here only pi. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So log of sin of 2a that is 2 times of a is pi by 2. So 2 times of pi by 2 minus x. So 2 to get cancelled. So sin of 180 minus x is sin x. So directly this is log of sin x. ಹೌದಾ? So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ so this 0 to 2 into pi by 2 log of sin x can be written as 2 times of 0 to a is pi by 2 log of sin x into dx. Okay? Yes. So this is then next step ಏನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಇದೇ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x. ಸೊ ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಅಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಎಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಎಸ್ ಸೊ ನಾವು I is equals to 2 times of again ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಂಬರ್ 5 that is 0 to a f of x into dx. So now 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x. So that is log of sin of pi by 2 minus x into dx. So here property that is since 0 to a f of x into dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ರಿ, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನೇ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಸೊ ನಾವು 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 90 minus x. So sin 90 minus x is that is cos x into dx. So call this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. Okay, equation number 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ and this is equation number 2. So now adding equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2. So equation 1 ಮತ್ತು 2 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So that is I plus I 2i. And now here 2 times of log of sin x, here 2 times of log of cos x. So add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so taking 2 common, So that 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx plus 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx. ಥಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ pi by 2 into log of 1 by 2. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? pi by 2 into log of 1 by 2. ಸೊ 2 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? pi into log of 1 by 2 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x value is pi by 2 into log of 1 by 2 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ 2 into pi by 2 is that is pi. Pi into log 1 by 2 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಕೊನೆಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. So now 2i is equals to, so here 2 common ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2i which is equals to, so taking 2 common and integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x plus log of cos x, okay, into dx. Then here 2 to get cancelled, then I is equals to 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x plus log of cos x. So log of sin x plus log of cos x, which is equals to log of sin x into cos x, because logarithmic property, that is log of m plus log of n is equals to log of m into n. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So log of sin x plus log of cos x is log of sin x into cos x. So again I is equals to 0 to pi by 2. Now log of sin x into cos x. So adding log 2 and subtracting log 2. So into dx. Okay. Yes. Now I is equals to 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into cos x plus log 2. Again use here log of m plus log of n. Log of m plus log of n is log of m into n. So here m is sin x into cos x and n is 2. So that I will write this as a 2 times of sin x into cos x and minus log 2 constant term, so write down as this. Okay na? Yes. So I is equals to integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of 2 sin x into cos x is sin 2x, trigonometric formula, okay, into dx. Simultaneous ಆಗಿ integration separate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, yes. Next 0 to pi by 2 log 2 into dx. Yes. So now 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x into dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log of 2 into dx. So the next step is, yes, I is equals to, this step itself last problem ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, substituting 2x is equals to t in the first integral. Okay, yes, put 2x is equals to t in the first integral. So this is the first integral and this is second integral. Okay, so substituting 2x is equals to t in the first integral. So put ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ, ಅಗೇನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so now differentiating this 2x with respect to t. So now 2 times of dx is equals to dt and then dx equals to dt divided by 2. And limits of the integration, when x is equals to 0 then t value is also 0 because 2 into 0 is 0. And when x is equals to upper limit pi by 2 then t is equals to 2 times of pi by 2 is pi. So t is equal to pi. So already lower limit to 0 ಆಯ್ತು, upper limit to pi. When substituting 2x is equals to t. Okay? Yes. Now integral I from 0 to pi log of sin t into dt divided by 2, because dx is equals to dt by minus. So here in the second integral log 2 is a constant term, so take outside the integral. So that is log 2 into integration from 0 to pi by 2 1 into dx. Log 2 common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು ಅಂತ. Yes. And then see here dt by 2 is it, so that is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 is constant, so take outside the integral 1 by 2. So integration from 0 to 0 to, so this pi can be written as 2 times of pi by 2 ಬರಿಬಹುದಾ, into log of sin t into dt minus. So here log 2 as it is, integration of 1 is pi, integration of 1 with respect to x is, that is x. So now lower limit is 0 and upper limit is pi by. Yeah, here 2 into pi by 2 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು. Again by property use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಯಾವುದು? Integration from 0 to 2a f of x into dx, that is 2 times of 0 to a f of x into dx if f of 2a minus x is equals to f of x ಆದಾಗ. Okay? Yes. So 1 by 2 into, so this 0 to 2 times of pi by 2 log of sin t into dt can be written as 2 times of 0 to a. Here a is pi by 2 log of sin t into dt. Okay? So minus log 2. So here upper limit na substitute ಮಾಡಿ x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ, that is pi by 2 minus lower limit is 0. So here integral from 0 to 2 into pi by 2 log of sin t na 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 log of sin t ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಯಾಕೆ? ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? integration from 0 to 2a f of x into dx is equals to 2 times of 0 to a f of x into dx ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2a minus x ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲೂ ನಮಗೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ f of x ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ log of sin t, ಸೊ t ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ pi ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So log of sin pi minus t, so log of sin pi minus t is again log of sin t. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So that 0 to 2 into pi by 2 log of sin t can be written as 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 log of sin t into dt. So since the reason then, this is the reason, 0 to a f of x into dx is equal to 2 times of 0 to a f of x into dx. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ? ಎಸ್. ನಾವು ಸಿ here 2 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮತ್ತು 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಉಳಿಯೋದು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ I is equals to 0 to pi by 2 log of sin t into dt. Okay? Minus here pi by 2 minus 0 is pi by 2. So again minus pi by 2 into log 2. Minus pi by 2 into log 2. And then here I is equals to, see here 0 to pi by 2 log of sin t. Okay? And here add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮುಂಚೆ. So that is 2 types of I. ಅಲ್ಲಿ add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. We will get the result as here 2i which is equals to I minus pi by 2 log of 2. Okay? Okay, right. So here observe ಮಾಡಿ. So this is I. Okay? I is equals to 0 to pi by 2 ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಟಿ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಟಿ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಟಿ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, minus pi by 2 log as it is. So again, since reason by the property number 1, a to b f of x into dx is equals to a to b f of t into dt. Variables will not control, value of the integration change agalla, definite integrals. Okay, yes. So now e integration from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Okay, so ಇದು totally this is I by 2. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಐ ಬೈ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಇಂಟು ಲಾಗ್ 2. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾವುದು? ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 ಟು ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ is equals to arbitrage I is equals to 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನಂತ I is equals to 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx. So 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx is equals to I divided by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So I is equal to 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x ಆದರೆ then ಈ 2 ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, then I by 2 is equals to 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx can be replaced by I divided by 2. Okay, next ಈ I by 2 ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So ನಾವು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? I minus I by 2 is equals to minus pi by 2 log 2. So I minus I by 2. So I minus I by 2 is, that is again I by 2. So I divided by 2 is equals to minus pi by 2 into log 2. So here 2 get cancelled, then I is equals to minus pi times of log 2. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1 ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1 ಮತ್ತು 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 2 ಅಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 3 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1 ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 2, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ನಾನು 1 and 2 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು, ಅದನ್ನ ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ 3 and 4 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ 3 and 4 and ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಲೆಂದಿ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ದೆನ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಂದಿ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಎಸ್. And now question number 4. Yes, evaluate the integral from pi by 6 to pi by 3, pi by 6 to pi by 3, 1 divided by 1 plus square root of tan x into dx. Okay, evaluate the integral pi by 6 to pi by 3, 1 divided by 1 plus 2 tan x into dx. So pi by 6 is 30 degree and pi by 3 is 60 degree. Okay, yes. So solution: integral I from pi by 6 to pi by 3, 1 divided by 1 plus square root of tan x can be written as square root of sin x divided by square root of cos x ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು, because tan x is sin x divided by cos x. So next simultaneously square roots to individual okay, into dx. So I is equals to, so pi by 6 to pi by 3. Now here LCM is root cos x. So next to root cos x na numerator ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so that is root cos x divided by root cos x plus root of sin x into dx. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 divided by 1 plus a divided by b ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ 1 divided by here LCM is b. Okay, so b plus a ಅಂತ. So next b term numerator ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, that is b divided by b plus. Okay, so here a is root sin x, so b root cos x. So simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು, b divided by b plus a ಅಂದ್ರೆ root cos x divided by root cos x plus root sin x. Okay na? Yes. So then here we need to use the property. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ? ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ನೆನಪಿದೆನಾ? So that is using the property number 4, using the property that is integration from a to b f of x into dx is equals to integration from a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. Here a is pi by 6, b is pi by 3. That means x is replaced by pi by 3 plus pi by 6 minus x. Okay, andre x is replaced by a plus b minus x. So here x is replaced by a is pi by 3, b is pi by 6. Okay, sorry, a to b pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x. Now in integral I can be written as pi by 6 to pi by 3 square root of cos of, in place of x, that is a plus b, that is pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x. Okay, whole divided by again square root of cos of pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x plus square root of sin x. So that is sin of pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x into dx. Just x is replaced by a plus b minus x. A plus b ಅಂದ್ರೆ a is pi by 6 ಇದೆ, b pi by 3 ಇದೆ. So pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x. Next ನೋಡಿ, pi by 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 30 degree. Pi by 3 60 degree. That is 60 plus 30 90 degree ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos of 90 minus x ಅಂದಂಗ ಆಯ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So now cos of 90 minus x is sin x. Okay, so I is equals to integral from pi by 6 to pi by 3 square root of cos of, this is 90 minus x is, that is sin x. Similarly in denominator again cos of pi by 6 plus pi by 3 is 90 minus x is sin x plus, so square root of sin of 90 minus x is, that is cos x into dx. Okay na? Yes. So call this equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. Okay, so now adding equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so adding equation 1 and 2, so then this is I plus I, which is equals to integral from pi by 6 to pi by 3, so square root of cos x divided by, here square root of cos x divided by square root of cos x plus square root of sin x, okay, into dx, plus integration from pi by 6 to pi by 3 square root of sin x here divided by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x into dx. Okay, yes, now I plus I is 2I is equals to integral from pi by 6 to pi by 3 common to these two functions. Okay, so pi by 6 to pi by 3. See here LCM ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, root cos x plus root sin x. Here also root cos x plus root sin x. Okay, so here LCM means root of cos x plus root of sin x. Then root of cos x plus root of sin x. ಆ ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, or first ಇದನ್ನ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. Okay, so that is root of cos x divided by root of cos x plus root of sin x plus root of sin x divided by root of sin x plus root of cos x into dx. Okay, and now LCM is root cos x plus root sin x. Then numerator na add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, yes. ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಹಾಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Now 2i is equals to integral from pi by 6 to pi by 3. So LCM is root cos x plus root sin x. So then numerator add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So that is also root cos x plus root sin x into dx. Okay. So now here root cos x plus root sin x, root cos x plus root sin x cancel. So remain only 1. So 2i is equals to integral from pi by 6 to pi by 3. So that is 1 into dx. Integration of 1 is x. So now lower limit is pi by 6 and upper limit is pi by 3. So by using fundamental theorem of the calculus, so now substituting upper and lower limit in the variable x. So upper limit put ಮಾಡಿ. So that is pi by 3 minus pi by 6. So now 2i is equals to, here pi by 3 is 60 degree. 60 degree minus 30 degree. Okay, so that is again pi divided by yes, that is pi by here pi by 3 is 60. 60 minus 30 again 30 degree. So that pi by 6. What wait a minute. Yes. So here LCM is 6. Okay. So 2 pi minus pi. So that is pi by 6. So now 2i is equals to pi divided by 6, which implies I is equals to pi divided by 2. See ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಬಹಳ ಲೆಂತಿ ಅದಾವ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಸೊ then next problem is again next problem based on the last property number 8 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಂಬರ್ 8 ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, so right, fifth one, sorry, integral from evaluate integral from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, minus pi by 2 pi by 2 sin square x into dx. Okay, so evaluate the integral from minus 90 degree to plus 90 degree. So sin square x into dx. So first observe whether this sin square function is even or odd. Okay, so see solution. So I is equals to from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x into dx. So now here sin square x means sin square of pi by 2 minus x, or just substitute in place of x only minus x, because we need to check whether sin square function is even function or odd function. Correct? So even odd check ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ x is replaced by minus x. So here sin square of minus x is equals to, so this is minus sin x whole square. Correct? Sin square of minus x is, the sin square of minus x is sin minus x whole square. Okay, so sin of minus theta is minus sin x square by square of it. So minus sin x whole square is sin x. Okay, sin square x. So therefore f of minus x is equals to f of x ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ sin square x is even function. So here sin square x is even function, so that integral I can be written as 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x into dx. So this is because of the property minus a to a, f of x into dx can be written as 2 times of 0 to a, f of x into dx. This is possible only if f of minus x is equals to f of x. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈವನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, now I is equals to 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x into dx. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು sin square x in terms of cos function, sin square x formula that is 0 to pi by 2 sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 into, correct? So sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. This is because of cos of 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This is useful. So here 2 and this 2 get cancelled, or take this 2 outside. So 2 by 2 integration from 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus cos 2x into dx. Okay, so here 2 to get cancelled, then I is equals to integration of 1 with respect to x is x, correct? Integration of 1 with respect to x is x, minus integration of cos 2x with respect to x is, that is sin 2x divided by 2. So lower limit is 0 and upper limit is pi by 2. ಇವಾಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನ x ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ pi by 2 minus sin of 2 times of pi by 2, so divided by 2, okay, minus 0 put ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so that is 0 minus sin 0 divided by 2, that is again 0 limit. Okay, because x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 put ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sin of 2 into 0 sin 0, sin 0 is 0, 0 by 2 0, so it directly 0. S equal to pi by 2 minus, so here 2 to get cancelled, sin pi value, so that is 0, so 0 by 2 again 0, so answer is pi. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ here function is odd ಇದ್ರೆ, instead of sin square x sin raised to 5x ಇತ್ತು, sin raised to 5x ಇದ್ರೆ obviously here minus sin x whole to the power 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus sin 5x ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of minus x is equals to minus f of x ಆಯ್ತು. ಆ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟಗ್ರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 0. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಂಬರ್ 8 ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬದಲು ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin raised to nx into dx ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. If n is even, then value is pi by 2. If n is odd number ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ obviously wait a minute. If n is even ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ some non zero number ಬರುತ್ತೆ, not only pi by 2. Okay, if n is even, then answer is not equals to 0. If n is odd number ಇದ್ರೆ then obviously answer is 0. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin raised to nx dx. If n is even, then not equals to 0. If n is odd, then the value of the integral is 0. Okay? Yes. Wait a minute. Yes. Okay. ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಆಲ್. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.